Welcome back to the unbox. I am Laura. Today we are going to be unboxing the Wee box. It comes all the way from Scotland. And it's a lifestyle box from Scotland. It comes with a few goodies. I will link the information. I believe it starts at £35 a month. Like I'll have the conversions right. I might have to update them soon. For US citizens. They ship internationally. I think it's like $8 and something pounds too. So that would be up here. Also, if you don't know, I do crafting art videos on this channel also. Those are always posted on Fridays at 3 p.m. So if you're also interested in that, oh gosh, those are Fridays. Please check them out. So that being said, this is has become really popular on this channel. Actually, a couple months ago, this was I believe this is June's Wee box. Has hit over 150 views. So thank you. So we will let's just see what's in this. So, and also I always it's wrapped in Scottish newspaper and it's adorable. I love this box. So usually it gosh, what is it comes with 5 things. They don't give the prices or anything, so to this. First things up is a tartan. Let me tell us. This is Scotland. Tartan mug. I actually like these shaped mugs. So yeah, it's just a tartan mug. Not sure whose tartan this is. Similar to my husband's tartan, but I know that's not it because they are a small clan. Very small clan. But it reminds me of Christmas. So a little change purse. Oh no, I don't think it's a change purse. Gosh. Okay, so this is the holder, and it has, once again, similar to tartan. It has a unicorn and a Scottish Terrier. That's adorable lips. I think this is, yeah. Oh gosh, this is adorable. So it's a reusable bag. We like a reusable bag. So it has a Highland cattle, a unicorn, a little Scotty, and a bagpiper. This is adorable, all in with the thistle too. Can't forget the thistle. So, oh, this is adorable. And it's plasticky, so it'd be easy to wash off and stuff, and things aren't going to get stained. And this is nice because it has a key ring also that you can, like, you know, attach to your bag or whatever. And you can just, or to your, like, a backpack or purse, and you'll always have, if you want, like, a reusable bag, so you never know. So that's nice. Okay, this is an apron. So, like, this is an odd towel. So it has the Scottish dictionary on here. Maybe I'll put them up here too. So that's cute. It has things like, oh, I'm not going to forget. This is Bairn. Yeah, clean. As my mom, I don't have the dialector down very well, so, but oh my goodness, that's cute. And then we have cookies. I'll do this last. And then they kept the price on here, so this is $6. So It has things like Stack Polly, Dumbrobin Castle, and that is court. Oh gosh, yeah, there. So I meant a little bit of history book. I think I mentioned this before. These kind of gardens, I think they're called French gardens. I can't remember. They became really popular at the French estate. They're the stylized gardens and stuff. Those became really popular. Sterling Castle, wonderful. So this is a nice little tableside book. Also, Scotland is on my to-do list very soon, and we can't travel, and this just makes me want to go to Scotland tomorrow. So, but this is really cool book. So let's I'm not sure how I'm gonna like this. So this is McLean's Highland Bakery. It's rhubarb and custard luxury biscuits. Let's give one a taste. So they have a sticker on here. The sticker's not on the side where it opens. Go and point that out. So, I'm not gonna take the whole thing, but here they are. And they're very airy and light. Although I'm not going. Okay, I don't want to do that. And they're thin. Oh, what are those? They're the chestnut cookies that you buy in stores, especially around Christmas. That's what these smell like. That's what they taste like too. Okay, not the biggest fan of rhubarb. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. It was an interesting box, for sure. So, if you would like to see more unboxings, especially the Wii Box unboxings, I'll link those at the end card at the end of the video. And if you would like any more content from me, that'll also be in the end card. And like I said, I do crafting videos around here. My Instagram's the Rabbin Boar. Go follow that if you're interested in seeing more content from me. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!